Hello AIMS users, today I want to give you a demo to how to create your own list views. Besides the list views that are already existing in the system, you you can also create your own list views in addition to the existing list views that are already in the system. So I have used one of the AIMS users and I would show you how to create them. First, you need to click on the Awards and Programs tab, and as soon as I clicked on Awards Programs tab, you see here that there are pre-existing list views with respect to different countries. For example, when I click on AIMS AKF Canada grants, I would be able to see all the grants in which the sign unit is AKF Canada. Now let's suppose I want to create a new list view in which I want to only see the AKF Canada grants that are in active stage. So for that, first I would need to click on the list view controls and click on the new button. Here I would rename this as AIMS AKF Canada grants active stage, and I only want this to be seen by myself. You can also show this list view to everyone, so you would have to choose this option. All users can see this list views, but I would only have now only I can see this list view. Now you would have to add different filters here. So currently it is set to my awards programs on which I am assigned. So I would change this to all awards programs, and then I would add different filters, like suppose the first filter to be added here is that the record type should be record type should be equal to grants. Okay. The second filter that we would add here is I want to see only the active grants. So I would choose this option here. Okay. And the third filter that I would add is I want to see only the signing units that is equal to or contains Aadhaar information. Okay. So as soon as I have put these three filters, I need to save this, and you can see here I have all those Canada grants that are in active stage, but I'm able to see only one column name, that is name. So I can increase the number of column names by clicking on select fields to display. Okay, and I want to show the active button. I would also like to show the signing unit. Okay, you can also show if you want to show senior reviewer or the owner. Okay, and if you want to also see the total amount, total award amount, you can add here. You could also set according to your requirement wherever you want that column name. Just click on save here, and you can see here that you have all the active Canada grants under one list. Okay, so this is one of the method how you create your own list views. One thing to note here that the existing list views, like for example Egypt, you cannot edit an existing list view to change that, but you could create your own list view. You could clone that to rename as a new list view, but you cannot change an existing list view. Okay, now let's take another example of creating a different list views. So let's suppose I want to see only the opportunities that are in AKF Canada. So for that, again, I would have to click on awards programs, click on a new button. Okay, and I would rename this as Ames Opportunities Aga Khan Foundation, or just rename this as AKF Canada. So only I would have, I would like to be able to show this to only myself. So here again, I would change this all awards programs. I would add a filter again here, that is the record type. Record type, that would be equal to opportunities. Okay, and I would choose the signing unit. So signing unit would have, okay, and I would click on save. So I would have all the opportunities here, but I would also like to have the column names displayed on the right. So I would just close this and then click on select fields here. So I would choose the signing unit field again, like this. I want to show senior reviewer also. If you want to show the owner, you could choose here owner first name and owner last name. Okay, and also we would choose total award amount and just click on save. So you can see here, this is the another list view that shows the opportunities that is assigned to AKF Canada. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.